What if I told you 3 ancient Chinese exercises could secretly supercharge your pelvic blood flow, boosting your timing, control, and performance to a level most men think is impossible? In just minutes a day? I'm Dr. Alyssa Thompson, and I help men unlock hidden strength and peak performance using real science-backed methods. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Child pose, push-ups. Start in a kneeling position, push your hips back toward your heels into a child's pose, then explosively drive your body forward into a deep push-up, keeping your chest close to the floor before pushing back again. Do it for 30 seconds. This rhythmic compression and release cycle acts like a powerful pump for your lower torso, forcing oxygen-rich blood into the groin area to naturally enhance your stamina and structural strength. Exercise 2. Elevated knee tuck, V-tuck. Lean back on your elbows to keep your upper body elevated. Then lift your legs off the floor, tucking your knees tightly toward your chest before extending them outward into a wide V shape. Do it for 30 seconds. This high-tension movement strengthens the deep internal pelvic wall, essential for maintaining internal pressure, supporting a more resilient and controlled performance. Before we continue, I want to know who is ready to take charge of their health today. Tell me your age in the comments and write, "I'm starting today," to seal your commitment. I'll be personally checking who is truly committed to transformation. Exercise 3. Side mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position and rapidly bring your knees toward your elbows from the side, alternating legs while keeping your hips low and your core tight. Do it for 30 seconds. By aggressively engaging the obliques and hip flexors, this movement helps clear circulation blockages in the pelvic region, optimizing blood flow, stamina, and natural energy. Don't let your best years slip away. Start these 3 simple movements today and take control of your energy and confidence. For more science-backed strategies to stay at your peak, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.